Hello guys, good morning everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about the series circuit. Here is a given problem. This is a series circuit. Total voltage is 100 volts. This is R1 is 25 ohms. R2 is 50 ohms. R3 is 25 ohms. Then solve for R total total current. Solve for current 1, current 2 and current 3, and solve for voltage drop 1